reached 30,000 views. So guys, but my views is really faster than a month. 1 month is my first video, and the second month is this time. I've never come back in I never come back in 2 days or 3 days. Yeah, because I don't know, but I live actually in the Philippines, but I'm not gonna say my address because it's really too bad for myself, or I'm gonna get kidnapped. But thank you guys for 13,000 views. I'll get it. 13,000 views.